everyone! Welcome to the Babylon YouTube channel. Let's learn how to make turning chain. In crochet, a turning chain is used to bring your yarn up to the correct height for the next row. After you finish a row, you don't start the next row immediately. Instead, you make one or more chain stitches. This is called the turning chain. The number of chains depends on the stitch you will use in the next row. For example, for single crochet, you usually make one chain. For double crochet, 2 chains. These chains help keep your edges straight and your project looking neat. And now I'll show you how to make a turning chain in practice. Here we are working with single crochet stitches. We finished the last stitch of the row. And now we make one turning chain. After that, we turn our work and start the next row from the second chain from the hook, which means we skip the turning chain. Now I'll show you the same, but with double crochet stitches. Here is the end of the row. We make 2 turning chains. Then we turn our work and start the new row, skipping those 2 turning chains. So we work into the 3rd chain from the hook. Keep your turning chains consistent. This is the key to clean and professional edges. If you're just starting your crochet journey, check out our beginner-friendly tutorials on Babylon channel. Thank you for watching and happy crafting.